Yeah, so to solve this, we'll start by taking the Laplace transform of both sides, and that will be Laplace transform of y double prime minus 4y will be equal to the Laplace transform of 24 cos 2t. Okay, and by linearity, this will be Laplace transform of y double prime minus 4 Laplace transform of y equals to Laplace transform of 24 cos 2t. And we know that this is going to give us 24 times Laplace transform of cos 2t, which is s over x squared plus 4. Okay, but then Laplace transform of y double prime will give us s squared Laplace transform of y minus y naught prime minus sy naught. And this is s squared capital Y of x. Y naught prime is 4, so this will be negative 4, while y naught is 3, so this will be this, and 4 Laplace transform of y, it's just going to give us 4y of x. So putting all this together, we're going to have s squared y of x minus 4 minus 3x minus 4 y of x, and this will be equals to 24x over s squared plus 4. Okay, and if you pick like terms to form a characteristic equation, we're gonna have this x minus 4 y of x, and if we push this 2 across the equal sign, we'll have 24x over x squared plus 4 plus 4 plus 3x. Give you 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x plus 16 all over s squared plus 4. And this we know is x, is s plus 2 s minus 2 y of x, and this is equals to 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x plus 16 all over x squared plus 4. And if you divide both sides by the characteristic equation, we're going to have our y. So our y of x will simply be 3x squared plus 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x plus 16 all over x plus 2 s minus 2 into x squared plus 4. We want this to be in this form: a plus bs all over s squared plus 4 plus c over s minus 2 plus d over s plus 2. If we multiply both sides by this, we are going to have that our 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x plus 16 will simply give us a plus b into x plus 2 s minus 2 plus c into x squared plus 4 and s plus 2. This is 4. and then plus d into s squared plus 4s minus 2. And I can say let s be 2, and if that be the case, if s is 2, you can see that this will be 0, this will be 0. We'll now be solving for our c. And if we do that, we're going to find out that if you implement that, you'll find out that this will be 3 times 8 plus 4 times 4 plus 36 times 2 plus 16. This will give us c into 4 into 8, which will imply that 128 equals to 32c, which gives us that our c is simply 4. 128 divided by 32, that will give us 4. Okay, in the same vein, if we let our x be equals to -2, you're going to do this yourself. We're going to find out our d is just going to give us 2. Okay, d will give us 2. This is solve it and then you get exactly this. But then we're to find the values of a and b, and we're going to do this by comparing the coefficients of our s squared, s cubed, and the coefficients. So that implies we're going to multiply all these terms out. Okay, we're going to multiply all these terms out. I have our 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 36x plus 16. So if you multiply all this through this, right, if you multiply everything out, we're going to have, this is going to give us bs cubed plus as squared minus 4b dx minus 8d. So if you look at this, you can see that we have this, so we have this, and this having our s cubed. So that simply means that 3s cubed should be equals to bs cubed plus cs cubed plus ds cubed, which implies that 3 is equals to b plus d. Okay, and what is b? Okay, c is 4 and d is 2. So c is 4 and d is 2. So this will be 3 equals to b plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So this simply implies that our b is 3 minus 6, which is -3. So b is equals to -3. So what else? How do we find our a? We can find our a by comparing the constants. So the constant here is 16. So we have 16 will be equals to, what are the constants here? We have -4a, which is the constant, plus 8c, which is the constant, minus 8d, minus 8d. Okay, and so this will be 16 equals to -4a. What is our c? C is 4. Okay, so plus 8 times 4 and then minus 8d. What is our d? I believe d is 2. So this is 2. So this will give us 16 equals to -4a plus 32 minus 16. So this implies that 16 is equals to -4a plus 16. And if we subtract this from this, you're going to have that 0 is equals to -4a, which implies that a is 0/4, -4, which is 0. So our a is 0. So if a is, so we now know what all the values are. A is 0, b is -3, c is 4, and d is 2. And with that, we just know that our y of x, which is what we have here, recall this is what we have, y of x is just this guy here. So our y of x, 2. and our y is equals to Laplace inverse of y of x, which is Laplace inverse of everything we have here, negative 3x plus s squared plus 4 plus plus 4 over s minus 2 plus 2 over s plus 2. And if we apply linearity for each of these, we find out that this will just is going to give us negative 3, negative 3 cosine 2t plus 4 exponential 2t plus 2 exponential negative 2t, and this is our y. And here we've used Laplace transform and eigenvalue problems to find our y to solve this problem, and that's very simple. In the next video, we're going to solve simultaneous equations for derivatives, and if you have any question, please drop it on the comments. I'm going to reply, and if you have more problems, just let me know and I'll solve it for you. Okay.